think overall it's been quite often in a service environment we tend to operate a bit in our own little world, our own bubble, and it's quite good to get out and I guess learn and benefit from the experiences of others in similar or even different industries. Just it goes to show that we confront many of the same challenges across a whole range of industries, and that there are solutions out there for a lot of those challenges.
Obviously, always at this conferences, one of the main values is the networking opportunities and to hear other people in similar industries doing similar things and find out what they're doing and learn from their lessons and make those connections so that you can continue to learn, particularly when you're doing similar stuff.
I'd have to say that I guess cost justification for introducing new systems was something that I'll take away, and I was scribbling copious notes during that session, and also I guess a presentation by the gentleman from Scottish Water who has implemented a system and they're now I guess quite mature in that, having gone through 4 phases of that, so it was good to learn from him as well.
That has been very evident is that the change management aspects have to be right, that you have to include people who will be using the field solutions in your projects right from the beginning. I think that has come through in almost all the presentations that I've seen. I think the boundaries of the industry are going to continue to expand, with some of the consumer products starting to push themselves into the industry, things like iPads and smartphones starting to clash or make inroads into the field force automation. So I think that's going to open up the horizons in a lot of ways.